to the sun with me, so I can show you something you've never seen. And both you and I shouldn't be too shy about letting go for once. Come and be free with me. Just look straight ahead. Don't you stay behind. Don't stay behind. Trying to make you feel right. 'Cause our stars align. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light. There is so much we can do in this life. Let it sink in. This is where we begin. Oh,
No, 16 knots of wind.
14s now. I think the low, the 17s, 18s have disappeared.
Yeah, head sail, just under head sail, and yeah, making good progress. 18 knots of wind, and we're going to be at the bridge about 15 minutes early, which is perfect. Time for us to drop the sail and get the engine running ready to go into the bridge once more. Go down through the canal. We have plans. We have plans. We've given up on trying to get to Montenegro. This time of year, as you can hit a weather window, we're just beating our head against the wall. We're just watching lightning storm after lightning storm. I can't be bothered. So we're going to leave the boat here, catch a plane, go and see my son for a week, and then we fly back to the UK for the Spirit Yacht delivery. And the other reason I don't want to be stuck in Montenegro is the marina is super expensive in comparison to Odyssea's marina. That won't cost us anywhere near as much money as Porto Montenegro. So it's better they're blown away here and while we're away for a month or two. But, yeah, that's the plan anyway. That is our plan. Yeah. Yeah, we're clear of the sandbar now.
Okay, we've got another little boat on the bow.
Okay. I see the one off the starboard.
We've got one off to starboard here, and there's
Yeah.
another little one just off your port bow.
I don't see that at all.
You've got a cockpit light. It's on the
Yeah, okay, yeah, I see his cockpit light.
I should get your head torch out.
Mine?
Yeah.
Right.
Close enough.
I'm so keen on this. So the wind at the moment is heading to the north, and the reason it's heading to the north is there's a thunderstorm behind us. So the wind gets sucked into the storm, so the back of the boat faces towards the storm, and then as the storm passes over, the cold air drops down and the boat will turn around and face the opposite direction. And we've already put out an extra 20 metres of chain in readiness for that to happen, and it's already started raining quite heavily. Why have you got your hands on my nuts? Ooh, hello.
I was trying to find a nut. I
Four?
found some.
What are you're up to no good.
I'm always up to no good.
You've been in the blue zone.
Yes, I have been in the blue zone. We have one of our spreader lights has gone dark, so we need to fix it, which means we need.
So this could be a complete video episode then, really, like, you know,
Content.
the preparation for going up there, and then the, you know, the execution of fitting a light.
Yeah.
Or it's just a 2-minute job and we film a little bit of it, and we've got more content than that. Who needs to make up content? Not us.
You can't say that.
Just did.
But you can't say that. Okay, so I have the lamp to replace the broken one, which currently has that on the end of it. Now I can't put connectors on that at the moment because I don't know which way round they are on the mast, so that has to wait, which means I'm taking snips, wire strippers and the crimping tool. I'm taking crimping ends, several spare ones for when it doesn't work. That's the spare bracket which we shouldn't need, and these are the fittings that go with that bracket, so none of that should be needed. And then these, what I've already done is I've already placed the nuts in here with the butyl, because they don't sit all the way in, so you have to kind of balance them. I currently have one bolt to go into those. The other one I'm going to have to save off the old fitting, off the old light.
So I'll be underneath ready to catch it when you drop it.
Yeah, and I've got my Leatherman and some electrical tape.
Sounds like you're ready to go.
I think so. Is there anything else you can think of?
Well, I'd take a coffee with me, because you could be up there a while.
You've had 2 coffees already and a raisin swirl.
Such a gross.
Audio check.
Testing.
Testing, testing.
Good to go.
Good to go. Hey? I thought you were coming too. I can't do stuff by myself. It's quite dangerous. I could die. No, it's always good to be safer rather than sorry in regards to climbing the rig. Don't grab hold of that one. The mission is always getting to the first step. So I am currently crimping on the new terminals. Was that your new one? Do you want to turn them on again just to check? Why are they both working? The GoPro falling over.
Ace reporter in the Ionian. There's going to be some wind apparently. So we came in nice and early. And now everybody else is coming in, only guess what? It's 30 knots now. Try docking your boat side on in 30 knots. So, Ace reporter, when's the best time to get into the marina?
9 o'clock in the morning.
Or the day before?
Or the day before. We came in at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What's this bit?
It's my wind vane. So you can tell which wind direction it is.
Yeah. I don't know what the wind's run up to. Maybe 30. Okay, so the problem it would seem is a resistance in the fuse holder, because that has burned, it hasn't just blown. And I'm thinking the blade contacts are bad. I'm thinking the blade contacts on that fuse are bad. So I'm going to switch out. I'm going to switch out that fuse holder for another one. We have got spare, fortunately.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, take it away. This electrical system is just horrible. Sunrise in Meganese. Where are you going?
Montenegro.
Montenegro for a holiday? Have you not had a holiday?
Yes, we're going for a holiday in Montenegro for a week to see Simon. So this is our little hotel room in the family apartment in Tivat, Montenegro. Cheers, Symes. Do you want to get the milk out of the fridge?
Sort out my night light. Do you want a cup of tea?
Please.
Anything else I can get you? Maybe there's a fold out table we could sit at. GoPro's failed.
Yeah, you said it failed. And what happened to your drone? It decided that it wasn't going to come back.
It tried to kill me. I was up in the rig changing a spreader light, and all of a sudden I heard it take it off, and I was like, and it flew away, and then I heard it turn around, shoot straight at my head. It clattered into the rig, and it fell into the sea.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, really?
Yeah.
He claims he was.
Well,
Are you ready to be blown away?
Okay.
Stay right here, okay?
Okay, so although she's bigger, there's actually less accommodation in the 68. So you've just got the two twin berths and the owner's cabin on here, whereas the 68 to the port side, you've got a bunk cabin.
What do you reckon, Ian? You placing an order?
blown away.
Sorry, I might use that in the intro. It's a bit blown away.
I'll have to cancel a Patreon if I have to buy this one.
So we're all having a little photograph.
Yeah. They're just lovely, aren't they?
Very nice, aren't they?
And we've just been told the 68 it only loses a bit in the transom.
Oh,
They-
so you've got the same...
Yeah, well, the one we're delivering, or the one we're on tomorrow is the same as this, but 4 foot shorter. I've been looking at these things. I want to get them in the blown away. I just haven't figured out a way. I'm going to do it and then send a picture to Sean
Are you heading back up to Ipswich
Tonight.
tonight, and we're taking some steps with us.
Oh, some pontoon steps?
No, they look like bathing.
Boarding ladder?
They look like boarding
Yeah, I
steps.
think, yeah.
Yeah.
I've got pictures. Joe there, Tom.
Sorry, just having a quick word. It's getting a bit wet.
Here, you've got to sit down, old chap. Us patrons have got to be seen sitting. Relax, gently relax.
Can we get them a cigar?
A glass of champagne, people.
No, can you get them a glass of champagne and a cigar?
There's the bar area.
Yeah.
It's a lovely boat, isn't it?
And the 68 is slightly different in that it has a kind of bunk cabin as well. So it's got 2 cabins carved like that.
Yeah.
It's got a bunk cabin and the owner's suite up forward. We have to sleep at the back. And
Yeah,
it makes sense for the delivery and
Are
the
you having a hammock put in?
Yeah.
we tend to try to leave anything that's kind of the owner's section of the boat, we just stay out of it. Because for us, you know, if we've got bags or we've got buckles or anything, like we scratch it. So normally, like, we will stay as far towards the end as we can, minimise the chance of damage.
Your twin. Better looking twin.
My more attractive brother. Yeah, they're here now. Just the guy next, exceedingly attractive.
Actually, I just want the experience today. English weather. Did you bring it with you?
Been back for 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Stones with you, mate.
It's just like being in the Bay of Biscay already.
And that's in Southampton waters.
Where's my boat?
Oh,
Right, the other guys are down there. David's down there as well.
Oh, brilliant.
sorry.
No, come on, you've got to be in the coffee seat.
Oh, nice.
This is for coffee supporters.
Waiter.
Wait.
Well, we did have Nat running around with champagne, wasn't it? And cigars. But
What time did you leave? Something stupid.
6:30.
6:30 this morning, we just sat in
I
traffic.
know. What was the traffic like?
It was, yeah.
David?
It wasn't that bad.
Can you turn the nav lights on?
Up and down lights, yes, I'll push the buttons. Full tank, empty tank, yeah.
So how long are you back for?
Sorry, are we sailing? No, opposite side.
So we're at the boat show in Southampton with a few of our patrons and coffee supporters, and we just like to say a big thank you to them. So we have a little gift for all of them. So thank you very much. And you've got 4 out, so I'm assuming there's one for Jane.
Pass them along.
Pass them along.
One for Jane. One for Timothy.
So that was
Very
2.
much. One for David.
One for David.
Bubble wrap.
And one for Lolly. And one for you.
Bubble wrap.
We hope you like them.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm guessing mine's the same, yeah? Oh, look at that. That's lovely, that. That's super. Where are we?
That's
Yeah.
Galaxini.
It's a nice little bag, thank you.
It's a place called Galaxini.
Oh, they're super.
It was the last drone
horrid.
footage before the drone went in the sea.
Yeah.
Actually, if you
that
want
one.
to go with that one.
Well, I have bought another one on eBay, but the guy's gone quiet on me and he hasn't sent it yet. So we went to one place in Greece, and the port police said something about her being my daughter.
Oh, no.
Oh,
And how did that make you feel?
It made me feel that you were the height of a child.